In this tutorial, we'll draw fractions using circle as area models. So let's start with half, 1/2. So let's draw a circle. Okay, and then we draw half. Or what we could do is, if we want to make it an accurate half, we first draw the center point. Let's make a center point. This would be my center point, and then draw half. Okay, and then we would just color the half piece. Okay, so let's write the steps here. So step 1 would be draw a circle. Step 2, find a center point. Find a center point. And then step 3, divide into pieces. So in this case there are 2 pieces. Look at the denominator. Denominator is 2. So I will divide into 2 pieces. So this is half. And then step 4 would be color. I would rather say shade. Shade inside. We would shade it so that we can see how many number of pieces are there. Okay, if you color dark, we cannot see the number of pieces. Okay, so the next one would be 2/4. Let's do 2/4. So same step. First, step 1, draw the circle. If you have a nice circle stencil or some shape, you can use the stencil. So I draw a circle and then find the center point. This is not a good circle, so I would rather take this is better. Second step is find the center point. Find the center point. Third step is divide into pieces. How many pieces? Look at the denominator, 4. So we have to make 4 pieces. So first I divide into half, then I do 2 this side and 2 the other side. Then I go 2 this side and 2 on the left side. It's almost like equal pieces. And then we shade the 2 shaded. So let's shade the 2 with the green. We'll just shade it a little bit so that I know how many pieces are there. This 2/4. Okay, let's try the next number, 3/6. So step 1, draw the circle. Step 2, find the center point. Step 3, divide into pieces. Now look at the denominator. Denominator is 6. That means total pieces 6. So first I'll divide into half. Then I'll do 3 this side. I'll just estimate From year to year is 1, year to year 2, and then from year to year 3. So this would give me 3 pieces roughly, and the same thing I would extend this line to get 3 pieces on the other side. And now the next would be shade inside. I would just shade it. I'm not coloring it. Shading will help me to know how many pieces are there inside. So this is 3 by 6. Next number we'll look at 4 by 8. Step 1, draw a circle. Step 2, find a center point. Step 3, divide into pieces. How many pieces? Look at the denominator, 8. So total pieces 8. So first I do half, then I'm going to do 4 this side, and then I'll do 4 the other side. So I can do 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then I would color the 4 by 8. So it's the 4 pieces colored on the 4 pieces that I get. Next I would do 6 by 12. Or I can do 5 by 10. Let's pick 5 by 10. By 10. So I would draw a circle, find the center point, divide into pieces. So let's look at the denominator, the total 10 pieces. So first I do half, because it's an even number, I do half, then I do 5 this side. So let me estimate. From year to year 1, year to year 2, year to year 3, year to year 4 and year to 5. Once I estimate, then I draw the lines. The same thing I would do it the other side. Notice that I need to make equal places, and then I would just shade in the 5 pieces, 3, 4 and 5. You have to make an effort to see that it is almost equal pieces. Okay, the last we would do is 6 out of 12. Step 1, draw a circle. Step 2, find a center point. Step 3, divide into pieces. There are 12 pieces. Total 12 pieces I have to make, so it's an even number. I'll first do half, and then I'll do 6 this side. So I'll just estimate. From year to year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I estimate it, and then I just draw the lines. And I will do the same thing the other side. Okay, I think I've just got a little distorted on the other side, so I think I made some less pieces, and the reason I got distorted is because I did not estimate. So it's always better to estimate, how much would it take. So this is 1, from year to year 1, year to year 2, 3, year to year 4, 5 and 6. So this give me a rough equal pieces. Then I would just go ahead and shade the 6 out of 12 pieces. Okay, I can keep going on, so on and so forth. So what do I notice here? I notice something nice here. Some patterns I'm noticing here. So if I multiply this, oops, I'm sorry. So if I multiply the first fraction by 2 and the denominator by 2, I get 2 by 4. If I multiply the second fraction by 3 and the denominator also by 3, I see that I get 3 by 6. If I multiply by 4, I get 4 by 8. I multiply by 5, I get 5 by 10. I multiply by 6, I get 6 by 12. So notice that these are just patterns. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 equal to 4 by 8 equal to 5 by 10 equal to 6 by 12. We will learn in the future chapters that they are all equivalent fractions, but right now just remember that they are also making the patterns. If I multiply by 2, I get 2 by 4. If I multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator, I get 3 by 6. If I multiply by 4, I get 4 by 8, 5 by 10, 6 by 12. I can keep going to 7 by 14, 8 by 16, so on and so forth. Thank you for watching.